Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the Stratia Aqua Factory Hydrating Toner. This product retails for $16. I was actually sent this product today from Stratia. It is the launch day of this product. I already purchased it myself before I checked my mail as proof of how much I wanted to try out this product, not only because I've looked over the ingredient list and the claims of it, which is supposed to be a lightweight yet nourishing hydrating toner, but it also speaks to how much I love Stratia as a brand. I'm so grateful to be on their PR list, but that will not affect my review of this product whatsoever. The reason why this product excites me is because it's the first launch I have witnessed with Stratia since I have tried out their products, and also the ingredients really spoke to me. They use a lightweight form of amazing ingredients, natural moisturizing factors for the skin, and I'm so excited to see how this product performs. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. The ingredient list of this product is very simple. You can check that out in the description, but the ones they want to highlight are beta-glucan, glycerin, and urea. The big things I'll be looking for with this product include what finish does it leave on the skin, what results do I see when it comes to hydrating the skin, and also how does it perform overall. As for anything else, I'll be continuing to check-in, so I will see you all in the next check. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in on this product. I'm very excited to see what level of nourishment it gives to my skin, and also see how this product performs because it has such a simple ingredient list to it. My skin is definitely needing some reviving right now. It's been a long week, and so I'm excited to see how this feels. You are able to control how much you get out, and the product, you can actually squeeze it and get some of it out. But it's a typical toner texture that's just very lightweight. You can see there it doesn't leave too heavy of a finish. It almost absorbs immediately, which I love that aspect of it. I was hoping this would be a very lightweight toner, so the packaging is like plastic, and I like that you're able to kind of squeeze it to get more out. You're really able to control how much you get out with this product. I'm gonna take just a little bit and pat it in the skin. Feels really nice and refreshing going on the face. It has a nice slick texture to it like I've seen with some other toners, but it's definitely not heavy. You can see there it gives a nice bounce and radiant look to the skin, but it absorbed practically immediately. I will see how this toner wears because that will be really telling on who can use this. Right now, off of first impression, I feel like anyone could use it. It's feeling like it's very buildable. You could layer more hydrating products with it if you're drier, which I am right now, and so I like to go for something that's a little bit more intense. But what I love about this is they've chosen to use so many amazing ingredients that have personally worked great for my acne-prone skin to hydrate, nourish, and balance the skin as well, which I'm very excited to see that. I'm going to use this both day and night every day and see what I notice with it. So far, it's giving a nice bouncy feel. I will also try to apply this on damp skin and see if I prefer that. A lot of times with toners, I notice better benefits when I do that, so I'll just be curious about that. I'm gonna continue using it and I'll check in again. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this toner. I am beyond impressed with this formulation because of its lightweight ability to hydrate the skin from the inside out, and also the simplicity of this product. With it only having very few ingredients and very hard-hitting ones at that, I felt like that was what really made this hydrating toner stand out from a lot of others that I've seen on the market. Stratia utilized so many amazing ingredients in this that have personally worked so well for my skin in the past, and as someone who is acne prone, I found that I like going for more simple approaches to products when it comes to ingredients. Even though an ingredient list is just a small part of whether a product will break me out, I've noticed that going for very simple ingredient lists typically open up more of an opportunity for it to work for my acne prone skin. They utilize amazing hydrating ingredients in this, and what I love is that urea is so high up on the ingredient list as a natural moisturizing factor that has personally shown results for my skin, at least, with increasing cell turnover and helping to gently promote more skin hydration. What I love about this toner as well is it has such a lightweight ability to hydrate the skin. Like I said, it is more of an internal hydration, but I noticed more results as I continued using it throughout this 2-week period. Beta-glucan is another ingredient that's worked well for my acne-prone skin. I love that this has such a lightweight, watery consistency that practically absorbs immediately, opening up the opportunity for any skin type to use it, in my personal opinion. This is a buildable layering product that you can apply more of if you are more dry or if you're more oily. I feel like that's who would most benefit from this product because it's important to hydrate your oily skin, and this has practically no finish to it, and it's very rare to find a toner like this that I would recommend for oily skin because sometimes they can feel heavy, but this toner was not that whatsoever. All of this to say, I'm really impressed with this formulation from Stratia. It is honestly one of my favorite products that I have tried from them. It's right up there with their Lipid Gold and Interface moisturizers. This product's simplicity is really amazing, and I feel like at a time where it feels like brands try to load so many ingredients in their products, it's refreshing to see a simple approach to a hydrating toner with this product, and that was a standout point from this product. I had an amazing experience with it. It didn't clog my pores or cause any acne, and right now when the weather is getting more cold, it was perfect for my skin. It's a buildable level of hydration that worked amazing for my skin, and I would 100% recommend trying it. The price point is very affordable. You get a great value of this. I didn't find myself having to go through it very quickly, and it was an amazing hydrating toner, and I would 100% recommend trying it. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.